free radical, allylic and benzylic substitution reaction we are going to discuss. Now, reagents. Chlorine in the presence of light. Chlorine in the presence of light or heat. Higher temperature होगा generally. Then bromine, light or heat. So why we are writing chlorine and bromine? Because fluorine and iodine का reaction नहीं है. That's why only chlorine and bromine is there. Next, NBS. NBS या NCS. What is this NBS? N-bromo. N-bromo succinamide. N-bromo succinamide. NCS N-chlorosuccinamide. N-chlorosuccinamide. एक सक्सिनिक एसिड है, सक्सिनिक एसिड से सक्सिनामाइड. ओके, राइट. द स्ट्रक्चर इज अमाइड जैसा ही होगा. NH इधर H के जगह पे ब्रोमीन. ओके, N-bromo succinamide. सिमिलरली क्लोरीन है तो N-chlorosuccinamide. Okay. Next, general reaction. CH3, CH double bond, CH2 is there. If we are using NBS, N-bromo succinamide, ये क्या होगा? Substitution reaction takes place at allylic position. Okay, our topic only allylic and benzylic. Whenever you want allylic position में substitution you want, then you take NBS या NCS. Okay, so now the product is CH2 CH double bond CH2. See here, this is the allylic carbon. Here bromine will substitute. Okay, allylic position में substitution. The mechanism is free radical mechanism is there. Or next, X2 means here either chlorine or bromine. कोई भी ले सकते. Bromine in the presence of light or heat. Light or heat. Heat है तो approximately temperature होना चाहिए 500 to 600 degree Celsius. 500 to 600 degree Celsius. Then also same product we will get it. Same product we will get it. Okay. Right. Now I will give some questions. Benzene is there and CH3 toluene. Now reaction with NBS. What is the product? Question number 1. Next, question number 2. Cyclohexene. Okay. Now what will be the products? Same, NBS is there. What are the products? Aliphatic may maximum one product only will get it, but like the cyclic compounds may more than one products or chances are there. Here, this position is the benzylic position. So obviously only one product will be there, the benzene, as it is here CH2Br. CH2Br. Now here see free radical mechanism में ये हाइड्रोजन allylic position ये हाइड्रोजन ओके निकलेगा so two chances are there एक तो इधर radical बनेगा प्लस down here also radical is there so NBS में here also bromine can form here also bromine can substitute okay two products ओके एनबीएस आ गए तो अलाइलिक पोजीशन में याद रखना है अलाइलिक एंड बेंजाइलिक पोजीशन में सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस नेक्स्ट हेडिंग फ्री रेडिकल एडिशन रिएक्शन ऑफ alkene and alkynes next heading is free radical addition reaction free radical addition reaction of alkene and alkynes of alkene and alkyne see the alkene and alkyne electron density is more so obviously sorry in the alkene and alkyne multiple bonds are there pi bonds easily that bond can break so addition reaction takes place or addition में electrophilic addition reaction takes place okay here we are talking about free radical addition reactions right वो free radical कब बनेगा yesterday I think yesterday given na the free radical initiators peroxides are the good initiators termination step में क्या होता है oxygen is using termination step में so reagents you write it reagents HBr in the presence of H2O2 the anti-Markovnikov rule yes hydrogen peroxide not only hydrogen peroxide कोई भी peroxide R2O2 लिख दो R2O2 या H nu light also in the presence of light also generally radicals are forming so it is known as Kharash effect Kharash effect yeah peroxide effect Kharash is scientist name वो फाइंड आउट किया था पहले Kharash effect because of peroxide it is happening that's why it is peroxide effect also so what's happening there see CH3 CH double bond CH2 this reaction here HBr in the presence of peroxide Here only HBr, no peroxide. Then the difference, see the difference. See नॉर्मल में HBr में क्या होता है? HBr में H plus and Br minus. Okay, this Br minus will go where less number of hydrogens are there at unsaturated carbon. CH3, CH, CH2. So bromine इधर जाएगा, इधर hydrogen. So 2 bromopropane we will get it. But in case of peroxide, these are not H plus and Br minus. It is reacting with peroxide forming radicals. So the product is CH3, CH, CH2, bromine इधर बीच में था, अभी तो टर्मिनल में हो जाएगा. Bromine here, hydrogen here. ठीक है, because of this peroxide, this product is opposite or different. That's why it is called peroxide effect, as well as it is also known as anti-Markovnikov products. Anti-Markovnikov products. Anti-Markovnikov products. This one is Markovnikov product. Markovnikov products. ओके, ये कौन बताया पहले? कराश. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ कराश प्रोडक्ट आल्सो. एंटी मार्कोनिकॉव प्रोडक्ट या कराश प्रोडक्ट. ओके, एंटी मार्कोनिकॉव प्रोडक्ट या कराश प्रोडक्ट. दिस वन. Not done fast. The mechanism. Step 1. We are taking peroxide. Peroxide, same electron negativity is there here. That's why homolytic cleavage takes place. So 2RO radical, free radical is forming. Right? This 2RO, उसमें एक RO. This RO radical reacting with HBr. देखो RO को चाहिए सिर्फ एक इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए, ठीक है? Right. So this is also cleavage now, homolytic cleavage. Then it is forming ROH. Then Br radical बन गया. This Br radical is similar to electrophile character, electron deficient. Okay, electron deficient. So it is act like electrophile. Okay. Now step 2 में this is the alkene CH3 CH double bond CH2. हमारे पास अभी Br radical is there. Br radical. Now Br radical, where it will attack? Two possibilities are there. I am taking this is the A position, this is the B position. Okay, I will write A and B both. CH3 CH bond CH2. Bromine I am taking here. तब radical बनेगा इधर, क्योंकि homolytic cleavage. नहीं, suppose bromine if I take this side, CH3 CH CH2. Now bromine is on terminal, बीच में radical. See, radical मतलब here electrophile जैसा. Now which is the more stable? The first one या second one? The 1 bromo या 2 bromo, which is more stable? Second one is more stable. This is the more stable. Is it visible? This one is more stable. Why more stable? It is secondary. This position is secondary position. It is a primary position. More stable. तो ये product ज्यादा बनेगा. तो वही बन गया. When peroxide is there, bromine attack at first position, terminal position. Okay, that was the reason. Okay, more stable. Therefore, major product. Therefore, major product is, you write one statement. Therefore, major product is 1 bromopropane. 1 bromopropane. Right. Now, note point you write it. The peroxide effect. The peroxide effect is applicable. The peroxide effect is applicable for only HBr. For only HBr. Okay. Suppose HCl है तो there is no peroxide effect in that. Normal Markovnikov product only forming. That's why note point लिख दो. The peroxide effect is applicable for only HBr. और second line लिखना है तो you can write HCl, HI and HF are not affected by peroxide. HF, HCl and HI are not affected by peroxides. Next heading, electrophilic addition reaction of alkenes. Electrophilic addition reaction of alkene or alkenes. Due to presence of weak pi electrons, due to presence of weak pi electrons in alkene and alkynes, it will go for electrophilic reactions. CH3 CH double bond CH2 तो CH3 C triple bond CH, इसमें कोई इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन, ठीक है. आई एम एडिंग हियर HBr adding, then CH3 CH CH2, here also CH3 C CH, HBr. Br कहाँ हो जाएगा? Br obviously according to Markovnikov rule, Br will be here, hydrogen will be terminal position. Okay, done. Suppose here also suppose HBr is there. Here also same. Br is middle, hydrogen is here. Of course, a pi bond will be remain. Then immediately it will react with one more HBr. It is giving CH3C, one Br up, one Br down, then CH3. Now what happening here? What you read in the statement? These are one down one is sigma bond, up one is pi bond. Okay. कोई एक तो pi bond होता है, दूसरा sigma bond. Here three are there. Only one is sigma bond. These two are pi bonds. Two pi bonds. Okay. So pi bonds are just partially overlapping weak bonds, easily can dissociate. Okay. So that's why reactivity is more. Okay, reactivity is more. So pi bond means nothing but electron cloud, that is electron cloud. So pi bond के पास कौन आएगा पहले? Obviously हो जाएगा वो कोई इलेक्ट्रोफाइल ही आ जाएगा, H प्लस जाएगा पहले. वो कहाँ अटैक होगा मतलब दो चांसेस है, एक तो मेजर माइनर होगा बेस्ड ऑन द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ कार्बोकैटायन. just before we written that. अभी H इधर भी अटैक कर सकते हैं, इधर भी अटैक कर सकते हैं, दोनों क्या होगा? Then if hydrogen is here, secondary carbocation, so more stable, so bromine will come in. That's a major product. Suppose hydrogen इधर अटैक किया, primary carbocation, less product. Okay, वो भी बनेगा, right? Second product also. Now second thing is here, एक weak bond निकल गया इधर, two strong bonds came. That means ये दोनों में which is more stable? Reactant या product, which is more stable? Yes, everyone you need to answer. Which is more stable, reactant and product में? More stable, reactant or product? In this reaction, ये तो propene is the 1-bromopropane, which is the more stable. Product is more stable. Okay, एक weak bond से तो strong bond बन गया. Okay, it is the more stable. More stable means less energy. Less energy. Okay, less energy. So it is, you can write here, more stable and less energetic. Less energy, energetic. More stable, less energy. So that means higher energy forming into lower energy. That means कुछ energy तो release होगा. Okay. Therefore, these are exothermic reactions. Therefore, these are exothermic reactions. You can write one statement. Unsaturated compounds, unsaturated compounds, unsaturated compounds goes addition reaction, form stable compound, form stable compound with less energy, with less energetic. Therefore, these are exothermic. Therefore, these reactions are exothermic. Therefore, these reactions are exothermic. Okay, right. एक बार वापस मैकेनिज्म लिखते हैं. After this statement, you can continue that. I am writing here mechanism. Mechanism में क्या है? Or you can write this step again here, no problem. Now this one, right? Electron density is more, that's why which one will attack first? H plus will attack. So H plus can attack at A position, at B position. Two places are there. So first I am taking A position and B position here. A position में CH3, CH, CH, here hydrogen is there. तो ये क्या होगा? सी हाइड्रोजन H प्लस अटैक किया मतलब तो इधर प्लस हो जाएगा, इधर प्लस. सो यू कैन राइट ए टाइप में क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन शिफ्टिंग लाइक दिस, ए साइड H plus will go join here, right? Suppose if it is going as B, if it is going like B, then CH3, CH, hydrogen will be here, CH2 plus will be here. Which is more stable? Obviously, this is the more stable. More stable. This is the less stable. Less stable. More stable, more product बनेगा. So it is a major product is given. Okay. अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या लिखते हैं, इधर लिख सकते हैं Br minus. Here Br minus you take it. CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. Less stable, that's why minor product. Minor product. Okay. It is also known as minor product का दूसरा क्या है, एंटी मार्कोनिकॉव प्रोडक्ट. ये मार्कोनिकॉव है तो वो तो क्या होगा, ऑपोजिट. Now this one, it is react with bromine minus, then CH3, CH, CH2, sorry CH3, then bromine is middle. This is the major product. This is the major product. Major product. Right? Next statement you write it here. Rate of reaction directly proportional to rate of reaction directly proportional to stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation. ये स्टेटमेंट है अभी SN1, SN2, E1, E2 सब में तो सेम है, क्योंकि स्टेबल है तो क्या होगा, वो एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी कम रहता है, so maximum molecules can go to the product, that's why rate is more as well. Next you can write reactivity of an alkene is directly proportional to electron donating groups. Electron donating groups place is there like plus M and plus I. Plus M and plus I. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या लिखते हैं, द रिएक्टिविटी डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू प्लस M and प्लस I ग्रुप्स. ओके Now one order you write it. All alkyl groups, 4 alkyl groups are there. All are donating electron density, so higher reactive. Next, one decreasing. Hydrogen, remaining 3 R's. It is less. Then one more hydrogen less. One more R group left. Then see here 2 are there. 2 में सेम साइड भी हो सकता है, अपोजिट साइड भी हो सकता है, सेम कार्बन पे भी हो सकता है. Suppose here R is there. See this, 3 alkenes में alkyl groups are only 2. Alkyl groups are only 2, but same side and same carbon, same side that means cis, opposite side that means trans. There are. Okay, R group. Here easily you can understand that ये 4 है, इधर 3 है, 2 है, इतना तक तो क्लियर है. बट ये 3 में थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन होने का चांस है. You remember this, when R groups on same carbon is there, ये polarization ज्यादा होगा, so reactivity will be more. Cis में more polar than trans. Okay, that's a polarity, polarization. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद कम नेक्स्ट क्या होगा, one alkyl group, all 3 are hydrogens. Next, no, all 4 are hydrogens. All 4 are hydrogens. ठीक है. Next, ये reactivity order का एक first point. Second point, according to the statement, electron donating group, if it is attached to CH2, it is highly reactive. Then CH2 double bond CH2, then CH2 double bond CH, electron withdrawing group. You know this EDG and EWG, electron donating group, electron withdrawing group. मतलब minus I minus M, here plus I plus M groups. Note down this first. Over. If you are not understanding, you can ask. I don't think so. अभी तक कुछ ऐसा टॉपिक है. Next, now new topic. इसमें एक न्यू क्वेश्चन. Addition reaction in dienes. Addition reaction in dienes. Everyone, you are writing. See, who are writing slow, you can take a screenshot that time. Die-ins में suppose die-ins पता होगा die-ins means lines, right? Here HBr reaction is there. अभी HBr कैसे होगा रिएक्शन? Here two types of reaction. One is 1,2 addition होगा, नहीं तो 1,4 addition. Two possibilities are there. See here, we know that H plus Br minus. Where the H plus will attack? In दोनों position में obviously terminal में attack होगा, right? This bond is shifted to this. Okay, so I will write this resonance. तब क्या होगा? इधर तो माइनस, इधर प्लस, ये बॉन्ड तो एज दिस. ओके, माइनस के पास इमीडिएटली दैट हाइड्रोजन इज अटैकिंग, राइट? देखो, हियर दिस बॉन्ड इज एज दिस. हियर माइनस की जगह पे हाइड्रोजन आ गया, इधर ब्रोमीन आ गया, HBr डन. ठीक है, देखो ये रिएक्शन ऐसा भी हो सकता है, इट में गोज टू लाइक दिस, देन अगेन रेजोनेंस हो सकता है, इधर प्लस इधर तो माइनस, बीच में तो डबल बॉन्ड. ओके, नाउ बीच में डबल बॉन्ड, इधर हाइड्रोजन, इधर ब्रोमीन. Okay, so 1,4 addition, you can give the number in here. उधर से इधर गया कोई 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1,4 addition. Here I can see IUPAC number में तो 3 4 हो जाएगा, not like that. See 1 2 addition मतलब adjacent में हो रहा है बस, that is the meaning. 1 4 addition. Okay, अभी what are the conditions? कब होगा? देखो, ये फर्स्ट केस में सपोज इधर हाइड्रोजन आ गया, राइट? हाइड्रोजन आ गया, देन व्हाट इज द कार्बोकेटायन? सेकेंडरी कार्बोकेटायन. ओके, इन दिस केस व्हाट इज फॉर्मिंग? सेकेंडरी कार्बोकेटायन इज फॉर्मिंग, सेकेंडरी C plus इज फॉर्मिंग. ओके, सेकेंडरी C plus इज द मोर स्टेबल. Secondary C plus is forming. This is the stable C plus. Stable C plus. Now when 1,4 टाइम में ये तो हाइड्रोजन हो जाएगा, हाइड्रोजन. Now primary carbocation forming. Primary carbocation less stable. We can say it is just intermediate. Okay, less stable intermediate is forming, there more stable intermediate forming. So less stable कब exist होगा? Less stable मतलब क्या होता है? More energy. Less stable means more energy. More stable means less energy. Less energy कब exist होता है? More energy कब exist होता है? More energy exist होगा higher temperature में. Higher temperature में more energy species will be exist. Low temperature में this stable carbocation exist. So finally conclusion ये है, low temperature में this 2 bromo या IUPAC में 1 2 3, low temperature में 1,2 addition होगा, higher temperature में 1,4 addition takes place. Okay, higher temperature and lower temperature. So lower temperature मतलब कितना है? Approximately around -80 degree Celsius for this. Don't think that room temperature. एग्जाम में यही कंफ्यूजन होता है, they will give you this reaction. They will mention here room temperature. Room temperature मतलब ये reaction के लिए तो higher temperature. Okay. If they will mention low temperature, product will be 1 comma 2. If they will mention room temperature, the product is 1 comma 4. Remember carefully. Okay. So minus 80 मतलब room temperature में वो higher temperature है. High temperature I can say here bracket में लिख दो high temperature या room temperature RT. Even room temperature also. Room temperature. Room temperature में भी 1 comma 4 addition takes place. Hello, understood everyone clearly? Okay, right. इसमें और 2 points. ये हायर टेम्परेचर लोअर टेम्परेचर, सो टेम्परेचर पे डिपेंड हो रहा है ये. ओके, ज्यादा टेम्परेचर दे दे तो ये बनेगा. सो थर्मोडायनेमिकली कंट्रोल्ड रिएक्शन, दिस वन TD controlled. This product is thermodynamic controlled product. Controlled product. This one is kinetic controlled product. Kinetic, ये 2 words आता है कभी भी. Kinetic controlled product. ये kinetic controlled product. Kinetic controlled product क्या है? काइनेटिक मतलब मूवमेंट होता है. रूम टेम्परेचर में स्टेबल कार्बोकेटायन या लो एनर्जी वाला काइनेटिक कंट्रोल्ड प्रोडक्ट होता है. और हायर टेम्परेचर में which reaction is carrying या higher activation energy process या path, product is thermodynamic controlled TD KE, kinetic controlled product. Okay, next, addition of halogen. रंजीत अभी ज्वाइन किया. Next heading it, addition of halogen. In alkenes. Addition of halogen in alkenes. Addition of halogen in alkenes. Addition of halogens in alkene. First point you write it. In alkenes, addition reaction takes place. Addition reaction takes place via cyclohalonium ion. Cyclobromonium, like halonium. cyclohalonium ion. Okay, that is. And second point is anti-addition takes place. Anti-addition takes place. एलिमिनेशन में भी वो बोला था एंटी पेरिप्लेनार ऑपोजिट 180 डिग्रीज में रिमूवल होता है, एडिशन में भी वैसे है 180 डिग्रीज में ऐड होता है. ठीक है. नाउ प्लस x2 देन ठीक है, पहले एक रिएक्शन लिखिए उसके बाद मैकेनिज्म. x नीचे x. नेक्स्ट मैकेनिज्म. स्टेप 1 this pi bond is going to there. अभी इधर बनेगा x प्लस दिस इज ओनली साइक्लोहेलोनियम आयन, ब्रोमीन है तो ब्रोमोनियम आयन. x minus. Next step 2. स्टेप 2 में ये तो लेना पड़ेगा, कार्बन इन देयर. नाउ x प्लस, अभी x माइनस इज अटैकिंग हियर. ये दो है जगह, इधर भी अटैक कर सकते हैं, इधर भी अटैक कर सकते हैं. इफ यू टेक all are same groups there is no variation in the products, but here r1 r2 r3 r4 is there, then obviously the product will be different. So I am taking here r1 r2 r3 r4. okay, all difference are there, then product होगा एक तो r1 r2 carbon x, then r3 r4. here x दूसरा r1 r2 r3 r4. इधर ऊपर x, इधर नीचे x. You may think that sir तो x तो एक ही है, सेम क्लोरीन है, क्लोरीन या ब्रोमीन, but how it will be different? Obviously chiral carbons होगा, so stereochemistry में different हो जाएगा. okay, so now write it. I will give one example, it will be clear. Note down fast. After writing this, some note points, important points. Note. No rearrangement takes place here. In this reaction, no rearrangement. no rearrangement takes place due to due to bridged due to bridged halonium ion intermediate due to bridged halonium ion intermediate due to cyclic cation intermediate. Okay, now I'm taking here cis 2 butene, cis 2 butene reaction with bromine, reaction with bromine. I will get it here. CH3, CH3, HBr and BRH. Next, CH3, CH3. इसका mirror image HBr, BRH. Okay, bromine either cyclic bromonium है ना, इधर साइड भी हो सकता है, इधर साइड भी हो सकता है. So two products are forming. Now these two products are identical yet different. Once we can check it, इसका according to CIP rules, number 1, number 2, number 3, yes, clockwise दिख रहे हैं, लेकिन हाइड्रोजन इज ओरिजिनल में एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, इसका नाम S 1 2 3, ये भी क्लॉकवाइज दिख रहे हैं लेकिन S. Here 1 2 3 एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है but R. This one also anti-clockwise, but it is R. So SS and RR, ये पूरा कंपाउंड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज घूमते हैं, ये पूरा कंपाउंड क्लॉकवाइज घूमते हैं, मतलब दो कंपाउंड अलग अलग है और मिरर इमेजेस भी है. So enantiomers, these are enantiomers. Enantiomers. So same point once already we written, cis compound with anti-addition. Okay, here you can write on this anti-addition. cis compound anti-addition में enantiomer देगा. cis compound trans compound anti-addition is meso compound. Trans compound, you can write here trans alkene with bromine. Yeah, trans alkene with anti-addition. Trans plus anti-addition gives meso compound. Meso compound. Yeah, similarly, cis compounds with syn addition. Syn addition मतलब सेम साइड ऐड होता है. ओके, उस टाइम में cis plus syn is meso, cis plus anti plus syn, anti plus syn, anti plus syn is giving enantiomers. Okay, I will write it here. सिन प्लस सिन मीन्स एडिशन रिएक्शन ना, एडिशन के टाइप में एक एंटी है, अभी दूसरा सिन होता है, सिन मतलब सेम साइड अटैकिंग होता है। सिस कंपाउंड लेते तो मैं सिन प्लस सिस प्लस सिन इक्वल मेसो कंपाउंड, meso product. Then trans plus syn giving enantiomers. Enantiomers. Yeah, racemic mixture. Racemic mixture. Okay. If you want to write here this reaction, you can write. Note it down over. तो मैं अभी translate है. Bromine, sorry, CH3. CH3 हाइड्रोजन, ये तो ट्रांस कंपाउंड हो गए, ट्रांस प्लस एंटी एडिशन, ये क्या होता है मेसो कंपाउंड, मेसो कंपाउंड मतलब सेम। ये देखे तो प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री इज देयर, है ना, आधा कट करे तो सेम अप एंड डाउन, सो प्लेन ऑफ सिमेट्री मींस ऑप्टिकली इनएक्टिव, ठीक है। फिर भी आप चेक करना है तो ये तो नंबर 1 2 3 देखो, वो ऊपर से नीचे ऐसा क्लॉकवाइज में तो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज इंटरनल रिपल्शंस get cancelled, this rotation internally cancelled, that is only meso compound, meso optically inactive, optically inactive, optically inactive. Next, addition of HOX, HOX, addition of HOX reagent, HOX कैसे बनते हैं, X2 plus H2O is giving HX plus HOX. Example, if you take chlorine, H2O is gives rise HCl plus HOCl. See, reaction में कभी कभी ऐसा देते हैं डायरेक्टली HOX they will give, or they will give chlorine water, bromine water, नहीं तो bromine plus H2O, Cl2 plus H2O, ठीक है, डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट मेथड में दे सकते हैं। So you have to understand that chlorine water means chlorine plus water reacted, HCl and HOCl is available there. Then HOCl में कैटायन क्या है, एनायन क्या है, OH minus Cl plus, ओके, क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव। HOF केस में वो डिफरेंट होगा, HOF तो लेते नहीं हम, HOCl HOBr लेते हैं, उसमें हाइड्रोजन सब प्लस होगा, OH माइनस होगा, राइट। नाउ आई एम टेकिंग वन रिएक्शन, CH3 CH double bond CH2, then HOBr, HOBr. Okay. Now bromine कहाँ जाएगा? Where the bromine will attack? टर्मिनल या मिडिल? अब इसमें कौन नेगेटिव? OH माइनस Br इन द प्लेस. इलेक्ट्रोफाइल कहाँ अटैक होता है? मिडिल में या एंड में? सी मार्कोनी का ये बोला था अनसिमेट्रिकल रिएजेंट में नेगेटिव पार्टिकल विल अटैक वेयर लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन्स आर देयर. मतलब OH जाएगा मिडिल में, Br जाएगा टर्मिनल में. ओके, सो OH is middle, Br is terminal. Markovnikov. Okay, now we write Markovnikov product here. Markovnikov product. Markovnikov ये names है. Markovnikov product and rearrangement may takes place. Rearrangement may takes place. मतलब वो स्टेबल बनने का चांस है तो हो सकता है, क्योंकि इंटरमीडिएट तो बन रहे हैं. ड्यू टू इंटरमीडिएट कार्बोकेटायन. रीजन भी लिख दो क्यों रीअरेंजमेंट होगा. मतलब ड्यू टू इंटरमीडिएट कार्बोकेटायन फॉर्मेशन. ड्यू टू इंटरमीडिएट कार्बोकेटायन फॉर्मेशन. ड्यू टू इंटरमीडिएट कार्बोकेटायन फॉर्मेशन. Right. Next, addition of water. Addition of water. Addition of water. रिएजेंट क्या होता है एडिशन ऑफ वाटर में? रिएजेंट diluted H2SO4 plus diluted HgSO4. ये HgSO4 कंपलसरी नहीं है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो भी चलेगा. कभी कभी क्वेश्चन में ऐसा लिखते हैं Hg+2, नहीं तो ओनली डायल H+, सब तो चलेगा. CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2 CH3 C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH, दोनों में एडिशन ऑफ वाटर H2O कामा H+, इतना भी लिखते हैं. H2O डायल्यूटेड H2SO4, इतना भी चलेगा. ठीक है, राइट. H2O में H plus OH minus, where the OH will go? Middle. Then CH3 CH2, मिडिल में OH, टर्मिनल में हाइड्रोजन. Similar process here also. CH3 मिडिल में OH, टर्मिनल में हाइड्रोजन. So 2 times pi bond is there. That's why I am writing 2 times OH and hydrogen. Wait, step by step लिखेंगे. Okay, remaining 1 pi bond is as it is. Right. One more time reacting with water. CH3 C OH, OH, C hydrogen, above hydrogen, below hydrogen. Now on same carbon, two OH groups unstable. कभी भी याद रखो ये पॉइंट पूरा ऑर्गेनिक में चलेगा, ठीक है. So then what will happen? H2O will be removed, minus H2O. कैसे? इधर से एक हाइड्रोजन H प्लस निकलेगा, इधर से OH माइनस निकलेगा, OH माइनस H प्लस वाटर बनेगा. Now what is the product here? CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Okay, that is one mechanism. कभी कभी ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं हम, ये तो OH था, right. Keto-enol tautomerism, ये OH, this bond is shifted here, ये pi bond is shifted here, then what will happen? CH3, C double bond O, CH2, 2 हाइड्रोजन ऑलरेडी था, अभी क्या होने वाला? माइनस होने वाला. लेकिन माइनस तो इधर H प्लस तो रेडी है, so that hydrogen is shifting here, तो बन गया वही तो प्रोडक्ट. Okay, it is a enol tautomerism. Tautomerism, T-A-U-T-O, tautomerism. Tautomerism. Okay, tautomerism के हिसाब से प्रोडक्ट बन गया. Otherwise, if you understand this one is the, okay, you can go through that also. Now, write the points here. It is Markovnikov products. Markovnikov product. Then intermediate carbocation is there. Intermediate carbocation. So it may takes place rearrangement. It may takes place rearrangement. वो स्टेबल बनने का चांस है तो होगा. Rearrangement takes place. Yeah, it may takes place rearrangement. Next, oxymercuration. Important है oxymercuration. Addition of water में 2-3 types are there. तो एक first type हो गया. Only one type done. 2 more types are there. इसमें first, second one. Oxymercuration and demercuration. Oxymercuration, demercuration. Oxymercuration and demercuration. Alkene plus. See here, oxymercuration में mercury compound we are taking, that is mercuric acetate we are taking. Mercuric acetate. CH3, C double bond O. Taken twice. Mercury. Okay, this is an acyl group. Okay, acetate. Okay, here bond we can put. Mercury acetate. Divalent, that's why 2 times. So then it is THF. tetrahydrofuran. Full name you can write this one. Tetrahydrofuran. टेट्राहाइड्रोफ्यूरान ये नॉन एक्वस है, मतलब पानी नहीं था, और इसमें हाइड्रोजन भी नहीं है, मतलब देयर इज नो प्रोटॉन. ओके, देन सी हियर CH3 CH3, मतलब इधर रीअरेंजमेंट होने का चांसेस है, वो लिख रहे मैं, राइट. इधर CH3 CH3. ओके, नॉर्मल केस में इधर क्या होगा, तो रीअरेंजमेंट होने वाला है, बट ये रिएक्शन में रीअरेंजमेंट नहीं होता है. दैट इज द थिंग. You also take here one side methyl, one side isopropyl you can take. Okay. ये हाइड्रोजन शिफ्ट हो गया तो फिर से ही बनेगा, लेकिन नहीं होने वाला है. चलो अभी तो प्रोडक्ट इज CH3 CH, ऊपर CH3 कार्बन CH3 H and OH. What we are doing? Addition of water. Take here plus water. You can take here plus water. Addition of water. कहाँ होगा जनरली? OH बीच में, हाइड्रोजन टर्मिनल में. ओके, mechanism. So same step I am taking here. ये isopropyl था, कार्बन हाइड्रोजन CH3 हाइड्रोजन, राइट, प्लस mercuration, ठीक है, as it is Hg. This is the structure. Now it has a lone pair. This one is, see, ये नीचे लिखे तो बेटर है, थोड़ा इजी होगा. Hg here OAC. देखो ये दोनों सेम है. AC मतलब इतना होता है, CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड होता है, ऑक्सीजन ऑक्सीजन रिमेन सेम, ठीक है. ये बॉन्ड ऐसा बनने का चांस. लोन पेयर था, दिस लोन पेयर इज गिविंग हियर, दिस पाई बॉन्ड इज गिविंग हियर एक साइक्लिक ब्रोमोनियम टाइप, हियर आल्सो a carbocation forming. Carbon, carbon, methyl, hydrogen, isopropyl, okay, hydrogen. Now it is completely mercury is there. This is attached to OAC. It is also attached to OAC. Here, positive charge. This step understood? कुछ नहीं किया मैं, जस्ट साइक्लिक रिंग बनाया बस. हेलो, ये तो रिएक्शन था, वो रिएक्शन कैसे आ गया, मतलब मैकेनिज्म से यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. सो नाउ यू टेल मी, स्टेप 1 समझ गया है सबको? You understood step 1? Shivani understood. Okay, Purva also understood. Only 2 students. Pooja, Sardak, right. What I did, ये मॉलिक्यूल को लेके आया, इधर एक रिंग बनाया बस, साइक्लिक रिंग बनाया बस, इतना ही. अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप में We are using sodium borohydride reducing agent in the presence of base. Okay, I am removing this. See plus side तो क्या होगा generally? This one releasing as OAC. ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रॉन सी 4 बॉन्ड्स हो गए. See, when the bond is going to form, okay, that time only it is removing one acetate. Here only one acetate is. One acetate is there in the intermediate. Okay, two nahi, only one is there. Actually, mercury ka only valency 2. Okay, when it is forming 3 bonds, positive charge aa jayega, right? Now, the next step, OH minus is OH minus. Now the main important question is, ये OH माइनस कहां से अटैक होगा? अभी ये कार्बन पे होगा या ये कार्बन पे होगा OH माइनस. See here we will follow ये OH minus generally it will come where the steric index is more, क्योंकि AgHgOAc is a big group. Big group steric index के साथ नहीं रहेगा, so obviously terminal में जाएगा. So the OH minus will come on this carbon. Okay, from this carbon it will come. So obviously opposite direction में होगा. So I will take up this OH. Right, OH minus. Where I will take this carbon. Okay, now इधर हो जाएगा OH attacking this bond as it is. Methyl is there, hydrogen is there. Okay, next here obviously ये bond तो cleavage हो जाएगा. This one HgOAC, right? Then next by the hydrolysis ये product बनेगा OH CH3 hydrogen and hydrogen. See finally product क्या है? देखो ये तो reactant था. If you do normal H2O, then what will happen? ये तो rearrangement होगा. See, I am writing here normal H2O in the presence of acid. What will happen? H will attack this side. Here H will attack. Here carbocation will be forming. Then here hydrogen is there. This hydrogen will shift. Okay. Next ऐसा बनेगा. Carbocation तो इधर बनेगा. Then here it is CH2, CH3. ठीक है. अभी OH इधर अटैक होगा. मतलब OH here CH2, CH3. It is the product if you use only H2SO4. Okay. So 2 hydroxy. But here there is no rearrangement. So the advantage of this reaction is No rearrangement. Without rearrangement, if you want the product, you have to take this mercuration and demercuration method. Okay. So the advantage you can write now. So note down this. Small correction here. Instead of X3O plus, you take here sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride NaBH4. NaBH4. इसको इसको रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं NaBH4 HgOH ये पूरा निकलते हैं. Over. You can write this product also. After complete that, if the same reaction carrying in diluted H2SO4, this is the product. If we use diluted H2SO4, diluted H2SO4 यूज करें तो ये प्रोडक्ट बनेगा. लिखा बाकी in the same reaction. Suppose if you take instead of water, if you take alcohol ROH in the presence of mercuric acetate, then क्या होगा? Where OH is there, see the product is like this. One side hydrogen, other side is OR. Hydrogen and OR. Alkoxy group. कब तक है पीरियड? 110. Okay. Okay, 3 more reactions are there. In this next, hydroboration. 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 अच्छा, इसका हिंट नोट लिखना है ना इसमें. नोट्स. No rearrangement takes place. No rearrangement takes place no rearrangement takes place. Then Markovnikov products. Markovnikov products. No rearrangement takes place. Markovnikov product. No rearrangement is very important. Markovnikov product सब में तो same है. No rearrangement. Right. Okay. Next, hydroboration. Hydroboration and oxidation. Hydroboration, oxidation. Hydroboration, oxidation. Reagents. Reagent. BH3. The solvent is THF, tetrahydrofuran. Just before you written. Then, in the presence of H2O2 and OH minus base. These are the reagents. इसमें क्या होगा? CH3, CH2, CH3, CH double bond, CH2. Okay, addition of water in the presence of this catalyst. I will get it anti-Markovnikov product. CH3, CH ending में OH हो जाएगा, बीच में hydrogen. Okay, you can write it here only. Anti-Markovnikov products. Anti-Markovnikov products. Anti-Markovnikov products. No rearrangement takes place. Anti-Markovnikov. No rearrangement. No rearrangement. And syn addition takes place. Syn addition. Syn addition takes place. Syn addition मतलब same side. SYN. Syn addition. Why Markovnikov product is forming? Mechanism. CH3, CH double bond, CH2. Here BH3, HBH2. HBH2 में H is the negative, BH2 is the positive. अभी तक क्या होता है? H is the plus होता है, लेकिन BH3 केस में BH is the minus. Okay, minus where it will go? Middle position. Therefore, the next step CH3, CH, CH2, middle में hydrogen, terminal में BH2. Okay. So in the next step you can write H2O2 and OH minus. इधर OH लिख सकते, लेकिन BH3 में एक हाइड्रोजन replaced by one alkene, second hydrogen and third hydrogen also similar. So I am writing like this. So CH3, CH2, how many times? 3 times. CH2, sorry, one more CH2. One more CH2 taken 3 times boron. I can write like this. BH3 था, एक हाइड्रोजन की जगह पे पूरा अल्काइल ग्रुप आ गया. Okay, similar. Then next step H2O2 in the presence of base, इधर bond cleavage होगा OH OH, इधर भी OH, इधर भी OH. Okay. Then CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. How many? 3 moles. What is the byproduct? BOH taken thrice. That is the byproduct. So finally we got it, anti-Markovnikov products. Okay, exactly time over. Okay, your class. Okay. Okay, reaction mechanism and types of reaction almost all completed. One nucleophilic addition reaction is there. That is hardly 10 minutes topic. Take the next class nucleophilic addition reaction. Then we will go just like chapter wise. We will follow NCRT.